The Shona letters DH sound like the English D when said phonetically. Da, de, di, do, do, da, da. D. Dhibha. Dorothea. Dumbe. Dhamu. D. Dido. Doroba. Duku. Dan dan dan. D. Digu digu digu. Donanzi. Dumbu. Da, de, di, do, do. That's all for today's lesson. But did you know Sarura Kids has the ultimate Shona learning pad available on Thinkific? Find the link on our social media platforms or on Sarura Kids' YouTube channel.